This video provides a general orientation of Palo Alto Medical Foundation's new vacation and sabbatical time management tool called Tempo, and it walks through the steps a physician takes to request vacation and sabbatical. For demonstration purposes, Dr. Sue Knox will act as the using provider, using fictitious information created for this specific purpose. Moving to the actual Tempo website, which is accessible when logged into the Palo Alto Medical Foundation's intranet, a physician logs in using the same username and password as anywhere within the foundation. Upon logging into Tempo, you are brought to the vacation dashboard. On this page, two important pieces of information are displayed. At the top of the screen, each of the vacation half-day credits are displayed. This includes the half-days rolled over from the previous year, the allotment for the first 6 months of the year, and the allotment for the second 6 months of the year. At the bottom of the screen, the remaining vacation balances are shown. The actual balance is the vacation balance as of the current point in time. The projected balance factors in additional vacations scheduled for the rest of the calendar year. Please note that this projected amount incorporates approved and scheduled vacation, and so there may be a short lag between a freshly requested vacation and what shows in the projected balance. In order to make a request, click in the left-hand navigation pane on the My Vacation Requests link. This page provides information about past vacation requests and includes a simple form that enables a physician to quickly make a vacation request. The body of this page is the request form. By clicking New Vacation Request, a blank form is generated. At the top right part of the screen, the current or actual balance is displayed, as is the projected or end-of-year balance. These are another reference point to understand how much vacation is available both today, and if more vacation is already scheduled, how much is available for the rest of the year. After completing this form, press Create New, and you will see the request stored at the top of the screen. This area lists details about past vacation requests. Each record displays summary details that enables a physician to review the status of a request. A physician may observe the exact point in the approval process a request is at. Each vacation request should be acknowledged by a person responsible for managing a physician schedule and a clinical manager. Secondly, all vacation requests are approved by the Tier 1 leader and are entered into the physician schedule. At this point, the request has been completed, and the requesting physician should receive email notification of it. At any point, past requests are available for review or update by clicking the Select button on the left of each request. Should a physician need to update the request, simply click Select and then make the necessary changes to the form. By clicking Update, the old request is deleted, as shown with the yes in the far column, and a new open request is created. A request may also be deleted by clicking on the Delete button at the bottom of the form. 5 requests are visible at a time, and so they are stored on multiple pages once they've surpassed that number. In order to navigate through these requests, a provider may sort the records by clicking on any of the underlined column headers. Using Start Date, for example, 1 click brings the most recent request to the top, and 2 clicks puts the latest date at the top. In order to see only open or completed requests, use the filter at the top left part of the screen to select a single group. Once a year, shareholder track physicians have the option to roll over vacation or cash it out, and so the vacation rollover page is a simple form to automate and manage this process. The physician simply enters the number of half days to cash out and clicks Create New. If you do not want anything rolled over and desire the cash out instead, enter 0 in the form. This form works similarly to the vacation request page in that past requests can be selected, revised, and deleted. Also, there is a filter function at the top to specify the year of the request. Moving to sabbatical, the dashboard and request pages are structurally and functionally identical to the vacation pages. For example, the sabbatical dashboard includes the credits for each year, as well as the actual and projected balances, which are, respectively, the balances for the current point in time and at the end of the year based on what is scheduled. The My Sabbatical Request page includes a simple form for sabbatical and a record tracking system just like the one for vacation. The only difference in the two pages is in the form itself. Specifically, the requesting physician should enter how many weeks he or she plans to use from his or her existing balance. Since a physician must take a minimum of 4 weeks during any year that sabbatical is used, the text at the top of the form will indicate how many weeks have been requested and whether more must be requested to get approved. In this example, only 2 weeks have been requested thus far, and so no approvals will be made until an additional 2 or more weeks are requested. By entering in another 2 weeks, that red font and disclaimer is replaced with a green status label. Once enough sabbatical has been requested, the approval process begins, and it can be tracked in the record summary at the top of the page. Upon approval, an email will be sent out, just like with vacation. To this end, a provider has the ability to change notification levels by clicking on the My Profile link on the left. Should a provider not be interested in the emails for vacation and/or sabbatical, then one may select No in the respective field. Additionally, the page allows a physician to change what screen initially shows up after logging in. This was the last page available to physicians in Tempo, and by clicking Log Off, the Tempo demonstration video concludes.